Hi everyone, in this video we have the Dual XGPS160 SkyPro Bluetooth GPS receiver, and I want to show you how to get started with this device. First thing we're going to do is pair it, and to do that we have the Apple iPad mini with Retina display, although this device is compatible with many different devices, both Apple and Android. So we're going to pair these via Bluetooth. We'll start by turning on our Dual XGPS160. First thing it's going to do is acquire satellites, and it has acquired them, we can tell, because that light is now a solid green. We have our Bluetooth lights down here at the bottom. So we have that one light flashing because it is looking for another Bluetooth device right now. We have 5 different lights here because the XGPS160 can pair with 5 devices simultaneously. We'll start going into our settings on the iPad. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and there we have XGPS160 in the list. Go ahead and select that. Usually from here they will just pair automatically. It may ask you for a passcode. If it does, 0000 or 1234 should work. That light that was flashing before is now a solid blue, so we are connected, and from now on, whenever these 2 devices are in range and Bluetooth is turned on, they should just pair automatically. There are a lot of different things that you can do with the Dual XGPS160. You can use this with a large number of apps that have a need for a GPS signal. But I'll show you a little bit of the Dual Electronics SkyPro GPS app. This is made by the manufacturer for use with this device. It is a free download. So it's going to give us some information here. We have our device status. So there's our connecting device, the battery level, and the firmware version. And here we have information on our position, like latitude, longitude, altitude, UTC, our heading, and our speed. Down at the bottom is our position confidence with horizontal, vertical, and 3D. A few different categories down at the bottom here. We're on our status page right now. The next one we have is satellites, and these are all the satellites that are in view of the Dual XGPS160. You have both standard GPS over on the left, and then you have GLONASS satellites over on the right. And right now, we are in view of a total of 15 satellites, 10 GPS, and 5 GLONASS. The final category that we have is trips. So your XGPS 160 is capable of keeping a trip log. You can start this log by triple tapping the power button, and then you can end it again by triple tapping the power button a second time. But you can also set it up in the app so that it begins recording automatically when you turn this on. So it's from this screen that you can import that information into the app, and you can export it as a KML file, do with it as you please. We have some different trips over here on the left. I'll select one that I've already done. There's some information here, and for example, you can use it to view it on your map screen. But I will show you this a little bit more in detail in another video. So that is a quick look at how to get started with the Dual XGPS160 SkyPro Bluetooth GPS receiver.